In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize your GoDaddy website. We'll take a step-by-step journey, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll feel comfortable managing your website's design elements. Let's dive in. First, you need to head over to the GoDaddy website. Open your browser and type in the URL, or simply search for GoDaddy and click the link. Once you're there, you'll probably see the home page. It can be a bit overwhelming at first with all the options and features, but don't worry, we'll sort through it together. Now locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will open a menu where you can enter your login credentials. If you're already a customer, just input your details and proceed. If you're new, you might have to create an account, but that's a straightforward process. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the section that lists your products or websites. You will see a list of all the sites you own or manage here. Simply choose the one you want to edit. Clicking on it will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your site. Next, locate the Edit Website button. Clicking this will redirect you to the website editor, your creative playground. Here you can modify your website to match your vision. One of the first customizations you can make is through the theme settings. Find and select the theme tab in the menu. This allows you to modify the overall look and feel of your site. Delving deeper, you'll see an option for colors or theme colors. This section lets you choose from predefined color palettes or even create your own custom colors. It's a great feature that helps you maintain consistent branding and a pleasing visual aesthetic. After you've adjusted the colors, toggle over to the fonts or typography section. Here, you have the ability to choose different fonts for the various texts on your site. This subtle yet powerful change can dramatically impact the readability and style of your site, so take some time to explore the options. Once you've made all these changes and feel satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to preview them. This is an important step as it allows you to see how the changes will appear on the live site without actually publishing them yet. Lastly, if you're happy with everything after the preview, hit that publish button. By doing so, all your hard work will be reflected online for the world to see. And there you have it. You've just learned how to customize your GoDaddy website's themes, colors, and fonts, ensuring it represents your brand's unique style. Remember, with GoDaddy, you have the tools at your fingertips to create a professional and attractive site.